Well, certainly, vaccine nationalism is the biggest risk, in my view, on the global effort to counter this pandemic. And that just tells you how much disparity exists between the actual work of inoculation and the global expectations. It's unfortunate that some countries have decided to hoard these commodities, have decided to engage in vaccine nationalism, have decided to stockpile these essential commodities. Other countries are ordering 4 times what they really need. Other countries have stores that are filled with these commodities, yet also remains countries which have no dosage at all to cover even their essential health workers. So I believe that vaccine nationalism is going to be very critical in terms of denying the world an opportunity to recover. Through vaccine nationalism, we are losing precious time in terms of saving lives as well as livelihoods. COVID-19 is continuing to be a very serious global threat. Many countries and territories have become under the grip of the third wave, and yet we see some countries holding these, essential commodities. We are losing lives. We are, impacting economies, and this is not good.